Papa the rain now. If you don't know. Now you the rain. Now juice plus the rain now. If you don't know. Now you the rain. Now you the rain. Now you the rain. Yeah. Come on. Yes, so anything you talk, Jehovah, they do am. Anything my God promise, they do am. Good evening, good evening. Hello, guys. Good evening, wherever you are watching me. Good morning, good afternoon. How are we doing? How are we doing? How is our weekend? Don't go away. Stay there, stay there. Let's have a chat this evening. Eh? Authentica. This one I won't talk about this evening now. Authentica. Now you the rain, yo. Jehovah, now you the rain. Now you the rain, yo, Jehovah, and my product is raining. How are you? How are you, friends? How are we doing? Hope everything is going on well. Good evening, guys. Wherever you are watching me from. Are you watching me from anywhere? If this is evening, good evening. If this is morning, good morning. If this is night, that's fine. I salute everybody this evening. I salute everybody this evening. As I said on my page, I said, how are you preparing for your Christmas? It's time now to start. Time to start to prepare for our Christmas. Are you just somebody that you just sitting down, waiting for Christmas to come, waiting for manna to rain from heaven without doing anything? We have to start now. It's now we need to prepare for our Christmas. Guys, friends, families, sisters, aunties, brothers, friends. It is time to prepare for our Christmas. As for me, I've started prepare. As you can see me, I've started preparing for my Christmas because I cannot just sit down in one place. The Christmas is 2 months. November, December, that's it. And all of us as a family, we have children, we have family, friends, we have a lot of people that we want to give gift, and we need a lot of money. We cannot just sit down and waiting for manna to fall from heaven. That is why I want to wake us up this evening, because some people might not know that the Christmas is nearly here. They are still counting that this is October. They forgot the October is gone. It's only the November in between, and there's no job. Even you that you have job, the money is not enough to prepare for Christmas. Do you know that in Christmas we spend a lot of money? We spend a lot of money, and this is the best time to start preparing. If you haven't prepared, now I reminded you that Christmas is on the way. Christmas is on the way. What are you doing to yourself? Are you somebody that's just sleeping all day? Are you somebody that is going to that job that's paying you the same money every month, rotating in one circle? Are you the kind of person? Or are you the kind of person that you are ready to make a change? Within these 2 months, you can still do something nice. You can still do something tangible, my brothers, my sisters. That is why I just quickly come on live this evening to remind us that we can still wake up from our sleep now. We can still wake up from our sleep and do something tangible. Make ourselves useful make money, so that a lot of people is looking up onto you, that, oh, my sister is brings. If you are somebody that come from Africa like me and you want to go home during Christmas, what are you going home with when you get the same salary every month, and the salary is not enough? Every month is the same salary, and you rotate in one place, in one circle. What you get is not even enough. Before you know, all your direct debit has taken it away. Or you know, before you know, you are overspent your overdraft. Bank is sending a warning letter to you. Warning message as, oh, you are spending your overdraft. You are over withdrawn your overdraft. Are you that person? If you are the person that I'm talking to this evening, let me know where you are watching me from. You can just type on the comments. Let's rub mind together. Ask me question, and then I will give you answer. Then I can ask you question. I'm still learning. I can ask you some question. Then you give me the answer. Let's chat together. Let's make life better for ourselves. Let's make life better, life better, life better. Don't let us die poorly. It's not good to be poor. It's not good to be poor. If you are the kind of person that you are still saying, oh, I've had enough. What I have is enough for me. What you have is enough for you. Still, you are overspending your overdraft every month. That is not how things is enough. When you say something is enough, it means you give some people. You give gift, you still have a lot. You give to yourself, you still have a lot. You give to your children, you still have a lot. You give your sisters, brothers, you still have a lot. It's not that when you gave, then you started thinking, if I know, I should not give that gift, because now I have no money. That's my last kobo. That's my last penny I've gave to that person. Then you started regretting because it's not enough. Why can't you do something now? Plan yourself. Within these 2 months, you can still plan yourself to prepare for Christmas. You will be one of the happiest person during Christmas if you start now. If you start now, you will be one of the happiest person in the world. By Christmas, you will spend and spend. You don't even know where you get the money from. You spend and spend, and you'll be happy that you give this. They ask you this, you give it. They ask you this, you give it. They ask you this, you give it. Your sisters ask, you give. Your brothers ask, you give. You will not think twice. Some people are outside there. They are looking up to you. They want your help. You need to wake up. Some people are the firstborn of their family. Everything is on them. Everything is on top of them. There is no way you will not spend money. But if you have plan B with your salary, with your permanent job, if you have another plan B beside you, then you are good to go. You will be happy to give. You'll be happy to give. Even the Bible said it. The person who gave, the hand is always at the top. The person who gave, the hand is always at the top. When you give, you have the reward in heaven that you gave. That you always give. Sisters and brothers, we need to find something to do with our permanent job, which will bring money. It will bring a little bit of money to our hand, to our purse, before the end of the year, so that you can smile, so that your family can smile, your children will be happy. But when there is no money, that is why we just stay in one place thinking. And when you started thinking, then a lot of illness will come in, a lot of disease will come in. Then you'll be saying, oh, I'm having migraine, I'm depressed. What is depressed? I hate that word. When I see my people saying, no, I'm depressed. What is depressed? Why are you depressed? Because you didn't make use of yourself. Because you forgot yourself in one place. You didn't push yourself forward. You forgot yourself because you think you are comfortable where you are. There's nobody is comfortable. You need to move forward every day, every moment, every hour. No one is comfortable. Don't feel that you are comfortable today. Something might happen tomorrow, then you will not be comfortable. Then there is problem. There is problem. Sisters and brothers, let's get up now. Plan for our Christmas. Plan how you are going to have a very nice Christmas. How you are going to have a best Christmas. Let us wake up. You can do it if I can do it. You can do it if I can do it. Let's find something to do. That is why I came out this evening. I have a good news for you. If you don't know, I have a good news for you. If you can't write on my comment, then after this program, you can just ring me. You can just text me. Sister, that good news, I want to share from it. And which means you have made a best decision in your life. Because when I make this decision, I realize that I've made best decision in my life. Why can't you get up today, this evening, or this morning, or tonight, wherever you are? Why can't you get up? Make a comment on my live video and let's have a chat about that Christmas. How we are going to have a nice Christmas. We and our family. You and your children. You and your husband. You and your wife. How you will have a best Christmas. When you join me, you will not regret it. By Christmas time, you will say it out that this is the best Christmas I've ever had in my life. What about that? Sisters, brothers, I have good news for you. I have a business that can pay you now before Christmas, that you will make something good out of it. I have a business I want to introduce for you. That's my good news this evening. The business is one in town now. It's one in town. The best business ever. The business that is reigning now all over the world. That is my business. My business is about fruit and vegetables, which we sell on internet, on social media, on WhatsApp, on Messenger. You sell my products, you get paid every 10th of the month. 2 months now, to this time, if you still do it, you still get something nice, which you will combine with your salary. At least by Christmas, you will smile. Join my business. My business is Choice Plus. What we sell is, we sell products that improve your health. We inspire health living around the world. We eat healthy, we use the products, we share our testimony, and we get paid. That is my business. Sisters and brothers, join my business. 2 months to Christmas. You can still make it. You can still make it. You can still get that money you need for Christmas. You can still get that goods you need for your children. You can still get that gift you want to give to your friends. You can still get that gift you want to give to your children. Some people, their children's birthday is always Christmas. Every Christmas is party in their family. But when there's no money, you just stay in one corner thinking of you are having depression today, thinking you are having a headache tomorrow, because there is no money. Brothers and sisters, get up from your sleep. This business is not a very hardship business. You don't need huge amount of capital. You don't need to stock the product. It's only the product you will use for yourself. Because I just told you that our business, we use the product, we share our testimony, and we get paid every 10th of the month. How about that? That is how good it is. My brothers, my sisters, get paid every 10th of the month. Support your family, support your wife, support your husband, support your children, support your siblings. That is what you will do if you join this business. Because when I join this business, my aim and the reason is to support my family. The second one is to look after healthy people. Those people who are not healthy, those people who are grown in pain, those people who have illness, those people who have health issue in their life. I want to help them. That is my second reason of joining this business. It's not just because of the money. I joined this business because I want to see that smiling on every family's face. I don't like when people's face is not good. I like people smiling all the time. When you are smiling, then I know that you are okay. That is my why. That is my why I joined this business. I wish I could preach this all over the world. I wish everyone should listen to me about their health. Health is wealth. Sisters and brothers, I wish you could see people who are sick. I wish you could see people who have one ailment or the other. I wish you could see people who have a lot of disease. You will cry. So because of that, if you join this business, me and you can preach this around the world and tell people what to do. Because a lot of people are outside. They don't know what to do. They are sick. They have illness. They have ailments. They have health issues. But nobody to talk to. Nobody to tell them what to do. That is why I'm out this evening telling people I have good news. I have this good news for you. Join my business. Join my business so that you can inspire healthy around the world. You can inspire healthy living around the world. Talk about health. Talk to people how they can feel free in their body. How they will feel free from that health issue. Talk to people, different people. A lot of people are outside. They don't know what to do. But you and me, that we know what they can do, let's go out. Let's preach the word. Let's tell them that Juice Plus is doing wonderful. This is the time to preach that Juice Plus is the best product in town. If you haven't had it before, that is it. That is what I'm telling you. Juice Plus is my product. I sell it on my website, on the internet, on Instagram, on my web talk, on my messenger, on my WhatsApp. I make use of social media. That is where I do my business. So that is my good news to you. If you join my business, you do it on social media. You don't need to go out. You don't need to go and go to the market and say, oh, this is the shoe I'm selling. It's not like shoe. Even those people who are selling shoe now, some of them, they don't go to market anymore. They do it on social media. Then what are you waiting for? Some people will say that I can't do it. Why? What is it that you can't do? Tell me, what is it you can't do? If you are selling these clothes, if you go on the internet now, on Facebook, a lot of clothes is full of Facebook. They are selling clothes and they don't have shop. Then why can't you do this business? My business is called Juice Plus. It's about health. It is made from fruit and vegetable and berries. All of us know what fruit and vegetable does to our body. It helps our body. It improves our body, our health condition. It supports our health. It boosts our immune system. So, what is new there that you can't sell? When we said, okay, come and do this, you said, no, I can't do this. Which one do you want to do, my sister? Christmas is here, and still you don't have plan B. You don't have extra income coming to your house. You are staying at home waiting for your husband to come home. You only do 2 hours. That is the job. Is that job? You only do 4 hours cleaner. That is is that a job? As you are looking at me, I'm a nurse. I'm also a midwife. I'm a mom. I'm a full housewife. Then tell me, 24/7, I'm always busy. All I do is I make use of my phone. Because that phone, I bought it with huge amount, and I'm paying for it every month. Why am I going to leave it, let it useless? No. I make use of my phone because I pay for it. That phone bring money for me every month. Extra money to my pocket every month. I don't want that smartphone to be wasted. I don't want that smartphone to be smarter than me. Even me, I'm trying to be smarter than that smartphone. That's my story. So join me. Join my business. Write in the comment that you want to join. Write in that comment that you want to sign up tonight. Let me show you how to make money. Let me show you how to make extra money in your pocket. I go chop money, chop money, chop money, chop money. A lot of people know how to chop money. They don't know how to make it. Borrow. A lot of people just know how to borrow. Borrow. But when they tell them there's good news, they they pretend as if they don't know what you are saying. Brothers and sisters, join this business and see how life is sweet. Be in the midst of people, happy people. Be in the midst of happy people. Join happy people that they are always smiling. Not the ones that not those one that they are always squeeze their face as if they are the only one in this world. When they do this, it's not good. When they do that, it's not good. When they do this, it's not good. I'm telling you now that I have good news for you. I have the one that is good for you. Join my business. Juice Plus is the best business. Juice Plus is reigning. Juice Plus is wow. Everyone outside that now know that Juice Plus is everywhere. It's good for your health. It's good as a business. It will bring money for your every day. So, what are you still waiting for? Why can't you start that planning now? Plan for your Christmas. It's just 2 months remaining. That 2 months you can still make money. You can still make money. You can still put smiling on somebody outside there. You can still help someone outside there. Sisters and brothers, let's talk about health. Let us tell people about health. Let us inspire healthy living around the world. My business is around the world, global. You just do it on internet. You don't need to go out. You don't need to stock the product. You don't need to ship the product to the customer. You don't need to collect the money from the customer, because my company will do everything for you. Your own is to look for customer. Your own is to look for customer. You will send your website to them. Then they will buy from your website. The company will send message to your email immediately and tell you that, oh, somebody has bought product from your website. You go and check your back office. We still have another office, which is back office. We call it back office. You go there, you check how much that person bought. Then you check what is your point. You check how much is your commission. How good is that? Every 10th of the month, you get your commission. That one is an extra money for you after your salary. Extra money. Instead of living with overdraft, you borrow loan, today loan, tomorrow loan. Some of us, if we are going to Africa, we can't go without go to bank and borrow. Why? How long are we going to do that? But if you are doing your business along your permanent job, you are good to go. You will still have extra money. You don't need to borrow. You don't need to borrow. You don't need to borrow money from bank before you travel. Some people, their children cannot go out of this country because they've got 2, 3 or 4 children. There's money to buy ticket. It's too much for them. How much are they at the salary? How much are the salary? You work for somebody day and night. Why can't you prepare and work for yourself? Because when you join this business, you are working for yourself. That business become yours. You just join with £50 in UK, $52 in America, then €60 from Europe. We have 27 or 28 countries where we operate. We operate in Dubai, in Netherlands, in Poland, in Malaysia, in Sweden, Australia, 28 good countries. Tell me how you will not sell. There is no way you will not find customer in 28 countries. Mexico is there. Brothers and sisters, what am I saying? It's for you to wake up. Get plan B. Get that extra money for yourself. Make yourself useful. Don't just sit down and say you are comfortable. There's nobody that is comfortable. You know, you have a siblings, you have a brothers, you have a sisters, you have a friend that can depend on you, that you need to help. Apart from helping people about the money, there is a lot you can help to get out of their pain. There's a lot of people you can help to get out of that sickness. There are a lot of people that you can help to get out of that disease, which they don't know what to use. Because when they support their health with my product, then their health started improving. They will see improvement in their body. That is why we partners, we use the products and we share the story, and we still get paid. Friends, guys, join my business. Juice Plus is the best business in town now, if you don't know. Juice Plus is the best business in town. Apart from the business, you can use the product. If you don't want to join the business, fine. You can use the product to look after yourself. Then you are good to go. I have a lot of it. Let me show you before we go. There are some capsules. We call them premium capsules. Here you go. Here is it. This one, when you get it, it supports your health. Improve your health. Talk of anything. When you start using it alongside with your doctor's medication, you don't need to leave your doctor's medication. No. Sorry about that. You use the product alongside with your doctor's medication, the medication that your doctor gave you. The good thing is, this product, when you bought it, you can pay for it 4 times. You pay for it 4 times every month for 4 months, and you use it for 4 months. Some people, when we tell them the amount, they think it's just only 1 bottle. No, it's not only 1 bottle. You get all this. You use most of our products, you use it for 4 months, and the company allow you to pay in installments. This one, we call it premium capsule. It is good to improve your health. And for some people, you are mother, the family, we have family health start. If you have children from 14 to 21, do you know that you can get this and pay for this and this for your children free when you do the plan for 1 year? Sorry about that. You get this free for your children. If your children is just 14 to 21, you get this free. Then you buy this for yourself. But children from 4 years to 14 years, we have their own for chewable. I don't have the chewable here. You get the chewable like this. You get it, this one in chewable. You get it free. Then you buy this for yourself. You have to do the plan for 1 year. You pay in installment for every month. If you contact me, I will tell you how much it is. It's not too much expensive for our health, to look after our health. Health is wealth, sisters and brothers. Try to buy this product. If you don't join the business, it's not compulsory. It's up to you. Depend on how good you want to be, how happy you want to be during Christmas. And apart from buying it for yourself, you can buy it for your friend. This is good gift to give during Christmas. Imagine when you buy and give this to your friend's children as a gift. Their mind will be praying for you for life. You see? Or you buy this as a present for your friends. They will like it, innit? It's a good gift during this Christmas. Message me. I will tell you how much they are. All those capsules, they are good. And we have Omega. Our Omega is a plant-based Omega. It's a plant plant-based omega. It is good, help to suppress appetite. It is good for brain function. It is good for arthritis, heart. It will support your heart. It supports, reduce inflammation. It is very important for pregnant women and nursing mothers. This omega, it is good for pregnant women and nursing mother. It contains omega-3, omega-5, 6, 7, and 9 in one capsule. It is good to support your immune system. It is good to support your immune system. Do you know it is made from plant-based? It's not fish-based. It is made from algae oil, tomato seed oil, sunflower seed oil, seed blackthorn berry oil, raspberry seed oil, and pomegranate seed oil. Very good for pregnant women and nursing mother. It will support their immune system. It helps the baby brain to function very well. Buy my products. If you can't join the business, buy the product. Imagine you buy this well pack for your pregnant friend. Look, just wrap it as a gift during Christmas and you give it to your friend. It is good, and you pay for 4 months. You don't need to pay it once. You pay it every month for 4 months, and your friend will use it for 4 months. Let us support ourselves. Let us help ourselves. It's not only clothes you just give as a gift. It's not that you give jewelries every time as a gift. You don't need to buy clothes every time as a gift. You can buy something that will improve your friend's health as a gift, like my product. And I have another one. Imagine you realize that your friend is overweight. You realize that, this is my friend. What am I going to do to help her or him? He or him, her is overweight. You can buy my shakes and wrap it nicely. Even when you buy it, if you want to buy the full pack for him or her, once you order from my website, my company will just ship to that friend's. They will ship to that friend's house in your name, and that is it. You are helping somebody. They will pray for you. This one will support them to lose weight. It will support them to lose weight. When they drink a lot of water, they do a bit of walk out, and they support it with my shakes. They are going to lose that weight. I can bet it with you. With support of my booster, they will definitely lose weight. Can you see? There's a lot of gift in my product that you can give. You can give friends in this Christmas. My number is on this page. Call me, message me. I will tell you how you will make your order. I'm not going to get money from you. The company is going to get the money from you. The company will make arrangements how you will get your product. The good thing is they are going to pack it nicely. They ship it to your house with DHL. Can you see that my company is special? is very, very special. Support your weight loss with my shakes. Buy this product for yourself. You will enjoy your life. Change your lifestyle to fruit and vegetable. Change your lifestyle to fruit and vegetable. It's not that fruit and vegetable is that they're selling in the shop. No. This one is a special one. 30 different type of vegetable is inside all my product. This one is 70 fruit and vegetable. My capsule is made from 30 different kind of vegetable. 30. Can you see? Even the one you've never heard about the name, fruit. If I told you to list the 30 different type of fruit for me, I can bet it with you. You can't complete 30. You cannot list 30 different kind of fruit for me. No, I know that. But this company, they made arrangements, make sure they get that 30 different type of fruit, which they grow in their farm, in the same compound, with their office, with their farm, and in their factory. Everything is the same vicinity. They don't need to transport the vegetable and fruit. They grow it in their compound, in the same compound with their factory. It's not exposed to sunlight. It's not exposed to any danger. There's no preservative. It's a real vegetable and fruit. Prepare fresh in the factory, blend into powder, and put it in as a capsule for you. I can guarantee you, when you are taking this fruit and vegetable, you are taking something healthy. You are eating healthy. You are not just eating rubbish. Get my product. Ring me, phone me, message me on my messenger, message me on my WhatsApp. Then I will get back to you. Me, anytime I don't sleep. Every time is my business. Morning, afternoon, night. That's me. I make use of myself. I don't just lie on the couch watching TV. No. If you want to make it in life, you need to move yourself forward. That's me. Imagine, look at this. Look at this. Let me pack it well for you and see. Look. Very, very well packed. Very well packed. You send it to your friends as a Christmas gift. You buy it for yourself. Buy for your mom. Buy for your dad as a Christmas gift. Stop buying clothes. Stop buying shoes. Buy something that can make their life better. Make them live longer, so that they will not die young. This is it. This one is raining outside. A lot of people is on Juice Plus. Don't think it's just scam. No, it's working like wow. I've used it. I've tested it. And I've seen the benefit. So why are you still looking at me and you can't get it? Use it. Get the benefits for yourself, for your family. Everybody in my home is using it. And we've seen the benefit apart from money-wise. Our health lifestyle has changed. Sisters, brothers, don't just sit down and waiting for manna to fall from heaven. Don't sit down and say, oh, they are lying. Why can't you try? You try. There is no sin in trying something. When you try, when it's not working for you, then you get out. If it's working for you, fine, you continue. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for that, that enjoyment. Thank you. Why can't you buy this? Your grandpa is there. Your grandma is there. They sick every day. They phone you from Africa. Buy medication, buy medication. Instead of buy medication, buy this fruit and vegetable. Give it to them. Give them life. Give them life. Let them enjoy your money when they are still alive. It's not that cloth you are buying for them that we bring out their color. It's not that shoe that will bring out their head. You buy shoe, you buy cloth. Tomorrow they take them to hospital. That's not nice. Look after their head first. I'm not saying you should not buy shoe, you should not buy clothes, but look after their head first before you started buying all these clothes. Your siblings are there in Africa. Some of them, they are hungry. They can't even pay for their children's school fees. I know that they are not there because of you, but you can still help. You can still help them. When you have enough, then you can give. Join this business. Join my business. If you can't join, buy my product. Men, I have one that is good for energy. It's not here now. I have one that is good for energy. If you need that energy to go to work, if you need that energy to play with your wife, I have it. Just ask me. It's not that you just sleep like a log of wood in the night and you think manna will come from heaven. No. Some men, they've chased their wife out of the house because they don't have energy. I have products that can give you energy to prove that you are a man in the house. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Ask me. I will tell you what to do. Some people, there's cold now in abroad. This time, there's always cold. And all of us, we love soup. Imagine you buy this for your friend in this cold. This is soup, vegetable. All is made from veggies. Can you see that there's carrots there? There's broccoli. Can you see? Imagine you buy this package it. Juice Plus will send it by DHL to your friends. If you can't buy for yourself. If you want to buy it for yourself, then they send it to your house. During this cold, you just warm it with hot water or hot milk, plant-based milk. You drink it. It replaces one meal. It replaces one meal. When you have it, you will see that it's a real meal. Nice food made from fruit and vegetables. Very nice. No artificial. There's no artificial. It's made of broccoli, kale. Talk of any fruit is inside. Can you see? It's very lovely. It's gluten free. It's for vegetarian also. It's rich in balanced nutrition. It's high quality protein. There's no fat. It's low in fat. And it's a good fiber. Tell me, what are you still waiting for? Buy all these products, my sisters. Buy these products, my brothers. I love you all. I told you I like to inspire health around the world. I like to talk about health all the time because that is my job. It's like I was born with it. I was born with it. I did this job with passion. I don't like people squeezing their face. I always like people smiling. When you smile, then I know that you are okay. Get plan B. Get this product. Join my business. You can still make it before Christmas. You can still make it before Christmas. You can still have extra change in your pocket before Christmas. Make use of your smartphone. Don't let this smartphone be smarter than you, friends. You yourself be smarter than this phone. That is the only thing I want to tell you this evening. That is the only thing I want to tell you this evening, sisters and brothers. Go and watch this video. Watch it again. Watch it and watch it and watch it again. Send it to your friends. Share it to all your platforms. Share this video. Let a lot of people benefit from this health. It's about our health. It's about our health. Let us look after our health. Let us change our lifestyle. When you change your lifestyle, you even within you, you feel healthy. Within you, you feel healthy. You'll be happy. I love you all. Thank you, my friend, Sister Yemisi Awe. I love you, love you, love you. Everyone, if this is night where you are watching me, I wish you a good night. If you are just waking up, good morning for you. Today shall be a good day for you. If you are going to bed, I wish you a restful night. Good night. I love you all. Bye.